Okay, so I wanted to do a quick review and analysis of ZEC coin. So to begin with here, you saw this around, I think it was October of last year, a massive drop. And this is when at around $40,000 when the options, the call options were just screaming high. I remember watching it on the charts. Anyways, it crashed. And just recently we were able to see, beginning I think in March, a rise going in a 5-wave motive. And I've labeled that like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Of course, again, 5 is extended from way down here to here. Some new people to Elliott Wave might be tempted to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they say, well, there's too many peaks, and they get confused. It's very understandable. Happens all the time. There are certain rules you have to follow. Wave 1 and 2, and then waves 3. Wave 3 cannot be the shortest amongst the 5. Wave 4 cannot overlap wave 1. So here it comes close, but it does not overlap. So it still passes as wave 4. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you might think, well, what the heck is this? Well, if 1 and 2 is here, then this is a subwave of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, making up wave 3. Wave 4 is probably an ABC. Wave 5 extends in 5 motive subwaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I want to discuss the right-hand side of the chart. We saw a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-wave motive on a down price trajectory. So I'm going to call this A. Wave A of the ABC correction. But here's an expanding triangle as well. Or you can call it a bear flag. A bear flag is a pattern just like this, usually more parallel like that. But this is a bear flag combination expanding triangle. And it has A, B, C, D, and E. So it's, in this case, a continuation pattern. And here would mark the top of wave B. So again, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B. In a very complex correction, A, B, C, D, E, giving a combination bear flag, expanding triangle. Notice how here also prices broke the lower support line. I'm thinking there might be a bounce back to hit now the new resistance. A former support becomes a new resistance line, and price should decline again. And this decline in price, I wouldn't be surprised if it is highly correlated with Bitcoin correction towards this massive wave 4 bottom. The key question is, will this be the bottom at around $91, let's say? I don't know. It all depends on the level of panic selling and the downdraft velocity. So it could be here at this support, around here. Or it could hit the next support in between 1 and 2. But I would be very surprised if it actually goes down really much lower toward wave 2. On a higher scale, if this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 motives make up wave 1 of a higher degree and scale, like so. And this ABC correction is a higher degree wave 2. Elliott wave states that wave 2 can go as high as retrace as much as 99%. Well, this is a very heavy, deep retrace. I'm surprised that even to the wave 4 it's going to go beyond that. I have seen some instances where wave 2 will retrace almost 99% of wave 1, but let's keep that on the rarity, because at that point I'm going to assume that everyone's going to be stopped out. So, okay, this is my assessment for ZEC. I will post updates if anything changes. As always, I wish all of you massive profits.